what are the advantages?
Sir, he left some spaces for new elements.
Yes, he left some places for the new elements. It is very good advantages. Okay. Yeah, his table contains how many groups and how many periods? 8 groups and 6 periods. 8 groups and 6 periods. So don't forget this. Mendele's periodic table contains. Note this point. Mendele's periodic table contains 8 periods and 6 groups. So in this group, 8 periods and 6 groups.
So 6
Class or
groups
notes?
and
Sir,
8
6
periods.
groups and 8 periods.
Yes, 8 groups and 6 periods. Okay. Horizontal or vertical columns are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. Already you wrote on the day in the classwork everything. So all complete the classwork, all of you. I told you complete the classwork on the day. Okay. Next thing he left in his table he left some gaps. So what purpose he left gaps? Because at his time during his period only 63 elements are known at the time. So he predicted elements will be discovered later. So he left some gaps in his periodic table and later he named as a Eka boron. In the Sanskrit, Eka means one. So Eka boron, Eka silicon, like that he gave the names. Oh, okay. So in Eka aluminum, he replaced by gallium. It has same property related to the aluminum. So his prediction was somewhat correct. Yeah. He also predicted that some atomic masses and properties of several elements are not known correctly at the time. So he left the gaps that are also very useful to us. And laterally, after his inventions, the noble gases were invented. That noble gases which was invented discovered at the time was not affected this table. He took the separate place in the last period. Say last group. Okay, in the last group, he took this without disturbing this table. It was tabled in his period. It can be able to table in his periodic table. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So noble gases also does not disturb it. So these are the advantages of the Mendeleev's periodic table. So there may be some even though he gave his advantages, but there are some anomalies, some differences, some difference will be there, some kind of what demerits are there.
Limitations.
Demerits are there. You can say also the demerits. Okay, wow. Merits and demerits on limitations and so on. Okay. So now we are going to see about that limitations. What are the limitations of the Mendeleev's periodic table? Just wait.
Not writing classes.
Just wait, I will say. First listen the class. Class of writing is not very urgent. So what I'm telling you have to listen, then only I can able to write. Okay, wow. What are the disadvantages of Mendeleev's periodic table? So even though his tables was give some ideas, and he is the very originator. So his invention gave an idea for other scientists to create a clear periodic table in future. So he was first scientist. So what are the limitations of Mendeleev's classifications? So about hydrogen. So according to the electronic configuration Bose-Ordon model, what is the number of electrons present in the outermost orbit of the hydrogen? How many electrons are present in the outermost orbit of the hydrogen?
1.
Can you say? 1. If we take alkali metals, sodium, potassium, and all. So how many elements are electrons are present in the atoms are based in sodium and potassium and all?
So one.
One. Yeah. One. So based on the electronic configuration, hydrogen resembles the characters of the alkali metals. Like alkali metals, so if you take sodium reacts with the chlorine, like the oxygen sulfur. Hydrogen also reacts with halogens. Halogen, what are halogens? Halogen means chlorine, bromine, iodine are called as halogens. It is called iodine family. Iodine, chlorine, all belongs to the halogen family. Fluoro, bromo, iodo. So it is called as halo. So it is belongs to halogen family. So I alkali metal means sodium, potassium, alkali metals. Sodium, potassium, lithium, and alkali metals because they form the hydroxides with the water. So it is called as alkali metals. Yeah. Why sodium, potassium are called alkali metals? Because they react with the water and form their hydroxides. So it is called alkalis. Okay, and it is very corrosive. So hydrogen combines with the halogens, oxygen, and sulfur to form compounds having similar formula as known as the examples here. On the other side, just like the halogens, hydrogen also exists in the diatomic molecules. So what is form of a chlorine? Cl2. Chlorine is a diatomic molecule. Iodine, bromine, they are diatomic molecules. So like halogens, hydrogen is also a diatomic molecule. So see the box there. Compounds of hydrogen, compounds of sodium, both are related. So it has the characters of both alkalis and the halogens. So there is a confusion for placing the hydrogen in this periodic table. Where you want to place is place the periodic table. Yeah. So he can't able to give the correct place for the hydrogen in his periodic table. He can't give the fixed position in the periodic table. This was first limitation of periodic periodic table. He could not assign a correct position to hydrogen in this table. Because of these reasons, because hydrogen resembles both the characters of alkali, properties of alkali and the halogens, he could not able to give the correct place for the hydrogen in this periodic table. These first limitations. The second, isotopes. In class 9, we have learned about the isotopes. The compounds which have same atomic number, different atomic masses are called isotopes. So already we have learned, we have learned about the isotopes and isobars in the class 9. So here he can't able to give the correct place isotope because if you take carbon, there are carbon for C12 and C14 will be the carbon is there. So you can't able to give the correct place again. Yeah. So you know the definition for the isotopes. So the isotopes of all elements pose to a challenge to Mendeleev's periodic law. So you can't be able to use the place for the all the isotopes. So another problem was that already we have seen before. In his periodic table, he had to put the some variations of atomic masses. That is slightly that elements have the larger atomic masses than the was placed before the low atomic masses. It was some anomalies. So another problem was that atomic masses did not increase in a regular manner going from one element to the next. It was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between the two elements, especially when you consider the heavier elements. Okay. So when you consider heavier elements, it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between two elements. So according, he led some places, even though he couldn't discover how many elements would be discovered there. So these are the drawbacks of the Mendeleev's. Yeah, drawbacks of the Mendeleev's. That is limitations of the Mendeleev's. Yeah. Okay. So in some places he gave the heavier elements before the lighter elements. Okay. So in the activity 5.1, looking at this resemblance to alkali metals from the halogen family, try to assign hydrogen a correct position in minerals periodic table. Which group and the hydrogen is present. So we can't able to clear the correct positions. According to this activity, hydrogen is similar to both alkali and the halogen family. So we can't able to correct the correct places for the hydrogen. So in the activity 5.2, consider the isotopes of chlorine, Cl35 and Cl37. So would you place that in different clusters because the atomic masses are different. So if you take chlorine, you know what are isotopes already I had discussed before now. So here chlorine having different atomic mass 35 and 37. So they want to place in different slots. But the chemical properties of the chlorine are both are nearly the same. Yeah. So but he can't able to give the correct place for the isotopes. So these are these two activities. Okay, wow. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this part?
No, sir. No, sir.
So here clear about the what are the merits and demerits. That is, what are the advantages and what are the limitations of the minerals periodic table. Yeah. But his ideas was very successful, and he paved the way for the modern periodic table with the all the newly invented up to now. What are the elements invented? Up to now, we have given in the modern periodic table. Okay. Okay. Wow.
Okay, sir.